Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be doing a chocolate cheesecake. We're going to start off with the ingredients for the base. 1 cup or 100 grams of graham cracker crumbs. 4 tablespoons or 60 grams of salted melted butter. And our last ingredient for the base, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, 15 grams. So that's it for the base ingredients. Let's get started. So we'll get all of our crumbs into a bowl, and then our sugar. Just mix this up first. That's good. And then all of our melted butter. So I just melted my butter in my microwave on the defrost mode. Okay, that's good. And then just simply mix it all in. There's no rule on the ingredients. If you want to add more sugar or more butter, you certainly can. But you can see that this is totally fine just like this. And that's good. Then I've got my springform pan. And we're just going to simply add all of our mixture right into it. It's at this point where you really want to make sure that everything is nice and even in the bottom, so just take your time doing this step. So you can see for this one here, I have lined the bottom with parchment paper, which is also called baking paper, and I've also lined the rim or the side of the little mold. Get all of that in there. That looks good. For today's recipe, I am using a 6-inch diameter springform pan, and that is equal to 15 centimeters. And now, optional, but I like to do it, you can just push this down with anything you could have handy. You can use the bottom of a drinking glass just to kind of push everything in. You just want to make sure that everything is nice. Okay, that's good. So that's it for the base. Now we're going to start on the filling. Here are the ingredients that we need for our filling. A standard block of cream cheese. This is 9 ounces or 250 grams. A half a cup of white granulated sugar, 100 grams. A half a cup of sour cream, 140 grams. 3 ounces of chocolate chips, 85 grams, and I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips in my recipe today. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. 1 large egg. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 8 grams. And our last ingredient, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to get all of my cream cheese into my mixer. And all of my white granulated sugar. I'm going to close down my mixer. And just want to get this going. So we're just going to cream this up for a few seconds. Okay, that's good. I'm going to add in my sour cream. Get all of that in. Okay, that's good. And then my egg. And let's get this going again. So push everything down to the bottom of your bowl. That's good. I'm going to add in my salt and my vanilla. That's good. And my cornstarch. Just sprinkle that in. Let's mix this up. And then let's get in all of our chocolate. Oh, that looks good. And I melted my chocolate in the microwave on the defrost mode. Okay, that's good. Let's close down our mixer. Just get this going again. Oh, this is going to be so good. You can see how easy this is. So that looks really nicely mixed. That was probably a total of 30 seconds or so of mixing. So at this point, our recipe is done, and now all we have to do is take our filling and put it into our springform pan. And there is our amazing filling. It looks so good. Oh, I'm just gonna get it all together here and then right in. Now you'll notice that I did not pre-bake my base. You can if you wish. And if you do, you're going to bake it about 10 minutes. No more than that. Okay. Boom. There we go. And you just want to move this around so that it's even. Got a little bit of marbling going on there. That looks good, just like that. So now I'm going to put this into my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake it around 55 minutes. Hey everybody, my cheesecake is baked at this point. I baked it for a total of 55 minutes. And oven temperature was 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is 177 degrees Celsius. After the 55-minute bake, I opened up my oven about that much and I left the cake in there for a total of 30 minutes and then I removed it. At this point, the cheesecake is still hot. I gotta let it completely cool down. I'm gonna leave it on my work area here for a good hour, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it with plastic wrap and it's gonna go into the fridge until tomorrow. If you absolutely cannot wait until tomorrow, you want to chill your cheesecake for at least 6 hours before you cut into it. As you can see, there are a few little cracks in the top of the cheesecake. That doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, you can check out the way that I did another cheesecake where I used a water bath, and that will eliminate most of the cracks. If you're going to cover your cheesecake with a little bit of topping, it doesn't make any difference, and there is zero difference in the taste if the cheesecake is cracked or not. So to finish off this little section of the video, I'm going to let this completely cool. I'm going to wrap it, and then it's going to go into the fridge until tomorrow, and that's when you will see me next. Hey everybody, this is a day later. I just brought my chocolate cheesecake out of the fridge. So let's open this up and check it out. I am very excited about this cake. What's great about the parchment paper going around is that I can just open this up now and everything should just come off nice and easily. Look at that. And then let's just peel this away. Oh yeah. This is nice. Look at that. See how easy that is with the parchment paper little collar. Super easy. You don't need to take a hair dryer and heat up the sides to get anything off. Let's go in for a little slice. Just gonna clean my knife off. Oh, that nice little crunch there. Let me clean my knife off one more time. Let's go in for a little slice here. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm very, very happy with that. This cake is very cold right now. That looks really nice. I'll just turn this around so you can see it. Oh yeah, I am very happy with that. This cake is on the cold side because it was just in the fridge, but I can't wait. I've got to go in. This smells so amazing. I'm just going to go in for a nice little bite here. Look at that. You can just see how creamy that is. Let's just go in for a little bite. Mmm. Oh, that is good. Mmm. If you love chocolate cheesecake, I hope you give my recipe a try. So a really fun one. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm over there at BakeLikeAPro. Cheesecake is so easy to make. I hope you try this soon. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.